Hey guys, it's me, Missy. I'm here with a quick English fix for Spanish speakers. Many English students say, I am agree. And I know why. It's because in Spanish, you say, estoy de acuerdo. But in English, we don't say, I am agree. We say, I agree. Agree is a verb, not an adjective. So, you don't need the word am. If you're enjoying this lesson, give it a big thumbs up. Let's practice. I agree with you. I agree with you. Do you agree? Do you agree? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now, if you want to sound more advanced, try saying, I totally agree. I couldn't agree more. I see your point, but I disagree. If this lesson helped you, write a short sentence using the word agree correctly in the comment section down below. Fixing mistakes like this will make your English sound smoother and more natural. Thanks for learning English with me, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Ciao, my favorite plebanitos!